Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today in my kitchen I am going to make a fish fry. For that I have taken 1.5 kg of fish which is freshly caught from the river just now. Fish is rich in omega 3 and vitamin D. Most of us are deficient of vitamin D. If we eat fish once in a week or twice in a week, it would be more better for us. It protects our bone health, heart health, and it is good for diabetic patients also. It is rich in proteins and low in carbohydrates. So first of all we have to marinate the fish. For that I have taken add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I have taken 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. If you eat less spicy food, you can as well take less chilli powder for the marination of the fish. I have taken 2 teaspoons full of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of green chilies, chopped green chilies, 2 teaspoons of coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice I am adding to marinate this, and add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. We have to mix them well so that all the ingredients coated well with the fish and our fish absorbs all the spices and flavors of the ingredients. When we fry it, it will be more yummy and tasty. We have to keep it aside for 1 hour after marination so that all the ingredients and flavors absorbed into the fish pieces. See, our fish is coated well with the ingredients. See, all the pieces are coated well. Like this we have to mix the ingredients. After 1 hour we will make a shallow fry of the fish pieces. This is our marinated fish. We have to make a fry of the fish. Fish is a low fat, high quality protein. It is filled with omega 3 fatty acids and vitamin D and vitamin B2, that is riboflavin. Whenever we fry the fish, we have to make a shallow fry. Don't fry them in a oil to make the deep fry. because high temperatures during frying damage the healthy omega-3 fatty acids by 70 to 85%. Deep frying negatively affects its ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids. So don't make a deep fry of the fish. Whenever we have to fry the fish, we have to make a shallow fry of it. Fish is rich in calcium, phosphorus and a great source of minerals such as iron, zinc, iodine, magnesium and potassium. Pan fry the fish rather than deep fry your fish and use a healthy oil like olive oil. Here I am using olive oil to fry the fish. We have to keep the flame in low while frying the fish. Don't fry it in a high temperatures. Cover the fish with a lid and fry it until it gets into a golden brown color. Let us check whether our fish is fried well or not. Start from the center. We have to flip the fish like this. Like this we have to flip all the pieces. I have flipped all the fish pieces. We have to fry the other side also until they get into a golden brown color. Let us check whether our fish is fried well or not. Let us check it is fried well. Now we have to transfer all the fish pieces into a serving plate. I am frying the second round of the fish pieces. I have fried all the fish. Now our fish fry is ready to eat and serve. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you.